with always in the world, why it started only 10 years back?
So there are other contributing factors, like because of increase in the population here and the vehicular pollution, and because of formation of what is called there's a because of the heat, because of the urbanization here, so it gets trapped, the air. Earlier it was not a phenomenon because of this, because it would flow, and right now it is restricted. So I think
What should be done?
So the solution should be always multi-pronged. First of all, incentives can be provided there to the farmers, and there are laws in place that will penalize them if they are burning. Another thing is that if you promote public transportation here in Delhi.
But no impact has been made by the laws and the penalties.
Yes, sir. Because
This year was as bad as it was last year.
yes, sir. Because proper implementation has not happened. That's one. And another thing is that
And why the proper implementation has not happened?
sir, because I think that 3-4 state governments is involved, and there is a lack of political will from their side. I think that would be the major reason, sir.
We define political will.
So political will would be, sir, the determination of the present government, either state or any central also. So the determination to implement laws or to take the state and country as a whole to a greater development level.
And why do I call it political will? It is mere willingness to enforce. How is it different from political will?
Sir, because political will, we see that the real power is with the political leaders.
Right.
So if they are not willing,
Why they are not willing?
so I think that because if they are implementing any policy, they are looking into their political side also, if they are affecting their voters. So I think that is the major reason. And sorry, sir.
It's a vote bank politics.
Yes, sir.
Don't want to annoy your voters.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let's go to Bihar.
Right.
Bihar continues to suffer, remain at the bottom of the totem pole, as you say.
Yes.
Despite claims to the contrary, last 10 years Bihar had remained at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
What are the factors?
So there are several factors. First of all, the historical factor. So because of Permanent Settlement Act, and also because of export freight liberalization policy, we see that Bihar was at disadvantageous position. First, and second, we see that because of political instability in 70s, 80s, and 90s also. And because of we see that Bihar has not developed as compared to other states.
Biharis seem to make an excuse of this freight equalization norms.
Yes, sir. Currently, the main reason I would say, if we see the 90s, because of caste-based politics that had happened.
Mm-hmm.
So, if caste is the front thing, then development would take the back seat. I think that would be the major reason.
What is the GDP of Bihar?
So it is 5.5 lakh crore, $81 billion.
And what is the GDP of Mumbai?
Sir, I am not aware of it. But since Mumbai is the financial capital of India, then it must be.
Okay, let us come to Delhi. The GDP of Delhi.
GDP. Sir, GDP of Delhi is above Bihar, and if we compare the states, then Delhi is at 12th position and Bihar is on 14th position, if I am able to recall correctly.
What is the country's GDP? India's GDP?
$2.9 trillion.
And it makes how much per capita GDP?
Sir, per capita is close to $2,000.
How do you calculate per capita GDP?
Sir, we calculate first gross national income and then divide it with.
You have a paper and a pencil, please do it.
Say per capita GDP.
How much is it?
Sir, GDP by population.
What is the figure that will come?
So it is $2231.
Okay. But tell me, see this. This is a very important figure, the population.
Yes, sir.
If population were less, the GDP would be more.
Per capita GDP.
Per capita.
Yes, sir.
What should we do to see that the population is controlled? And why are we not able to be successful in this?
So we had in the past several population policies, national population policies, but it was not that of success. But if you see the total fertility rate, it has been decreasing over the years.